Guys, it's part 3, and guess what? I saw it. I saw the blade thing just gone up. Now it's Mike. I saw bloody Mike the Seagull in the video. I got a good catch of it. Trust me, it's huge. The thing just looked huge. Almost huge. Almost. That's a really good black seagull right there. Black wings, white body. That's just so good. Let's see. Oh, I can see some jackdaws right now. Let's see if a jackdaw comes next. Who should we call this one? Robinson the Jackdaw. We'll call it Robinson the Jackdaw. Alright. So who's going to be? Mike the Seagull or Robinson the Jackdaw? Let's see what comes up. I bet Robinson the Jackdaw is going to come. Let's see. Oh, who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? It's got to be Robinson the Jackdaw. It's hiding there somewhere. It's hiding there. I don't want houses and stuff. There goes the pigeon. Who should call this one? Jacob the Pigeon. We'll call it Jacob the Pigeon. So we called the pigeon Jacob, we called the jackdaw Robinson, and we called the seagull Mike. Oh, maybe we could call it Maggie Magpie this time. Hello, Maggie Magpie. Oh my God, it's Maggie. No. Oh, it's Maggie. Oh, he's gonna eat the sausage. Go on, Maggie, eat the sausage. I just gave it a little bit. Oh my God, Maggie loves it. Maggie. Oh my God, that's a starling. We call it Starly the Starling. Oh, there goes Maggie back. Oh, Maggie's eating the sauce right now, the mayo and the ketchup. Oh, here goes Starry. Star the Starling. Hello, Star the Starling. My name's Jacob. Oh my God. Now I'm missing Jacob the Pigeon right now. Oh, better gonna take a picture of that. Oh, it's too far off. Wow, that's so good. I mean, some bare responsibilities could be. Doing like something much more creative. Like dudes. Oh no! I'll check on it right in a minute. I'm gonna check Mum what I want for dinner. I'll tell you. Oh! Here comes Robinson the Jackdaw. Right, I'm gonna be back with you in a minute. Guys, I'm having the boys and meatballs. Meat, yeah. Gusto. They said corn dog doing meat. I saw Robinson! Oh my God, it's done! Oh, bird. What? Nah. It looks fat. Oh, this is making me water now. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we see Mike the seagull, Robinson the jackdaw, and then the bird kissing. Oh my god. Oh no. I'm definitely showing this to YouTube. I mean, the bird. It's not even scared. Maybe we can call it Chloe the female blackbird. It's feeding. Star's feeding Chloe the blackbird. Oh, look at this. It's like a little penguin. Oh my god. There goes Chloe the blackbird. Oh my god, it's Jacob the pigeon right now. Oh, that was just even cuter than that. And a seagull. No. That should be me. That should be me munching my food like that. It's me munching the food. It's me munching the food, mate. It's me munching the food. It's me munching the food. Look at that. I mean, it doesn't even take one bite away. It just does like that. What I do, like that, dude. I mean, it's just eating the bread, mate. See, there was like 6 or 8 birds out there. I'm not going to say 6 then because it's 7. What happened in 2025? I don't want to say that at all. So, we've been given a load of bread to the birds, and they all came. Thank you to my place. Oh, look, that's just, I mean, it just handled for a minute though. I just broke the bread. Go on, Jacob. Go on, myself. Break the bread. That's breaking. That's me munching my food. Oh my god. Just got to drink more. Now let's see if I'm gone. Let's see if that bird's still there. I mean, like, what the heck? I mean, it's just still there. Is there some, like, oh, look, here comes Star the Starling. Is it? Oh, it's landed a bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's 2 stars. There's two star starlings. Maybe 100 of them. Look at that. Oh, it's running. Oh, it's Jacob again. It's Jacob again. Oh my god. Look, we're just having some drama over there. Sorry, I was squealing. Oh, there's one of the star one gone. Oh, we're seeing the bread. Oh. This is getting so good, guys. just 2 Jacobs. They're like adults munching up stuff. Oh my god, there's 3 adults. There's 3 Jacobs. Man, imagine there was a squirrel up there. Oh my god, there's a sea goldfish. Oh my god. Oh, there's one. Oh, 2 stars come back. Oh my god, there's a female blackbird. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. They better not poo, or my mum's gonna kill me. Oh. Oh my god. Chloe just came back to the world. Oh, his eyes so cute. The female's eyes so cute. That could be one of the cutest eyes in a robin, though. Look, 2 goldfinches. Oh, it's getting noisy now. Oh, just dropped a bit of bread. Don't let the dog eat it. I don't want to lose time. I better lock the door before my Marty gets it. Kissing bird. No! You came back to life, Mike! What the heck? It's like at the beach, mate. We just scared the mummy off, mate. Oh my god, it's big adults and that. It's big adults. It's so... Oh, this make my eyes war. What the heck? Oh, a little one on the rake. Oh, there goes Starback. Where's Robinson the Jackdaw? Oh my god, it's Starback. Oh my god, he's not scared. Oh my god. No. Oh, what in the world? Oh my god, it's Robinson. What the heck? Oh, I'm laughing. This is the best. Welcome to my world, all of you. Hope you enjoy all my food, and I'll bring some out tomorrow. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. Look at this. Am I seeing this? It's going like a shark, mate. Oh, wow. How is that food, seagull? Wow, that seagull's a bit stronger. Wow, that's just good. Go on, keep eating. Come on, I want to see you. I know. Oh my god, is that a finch? Oh my god. How cool is that? Oh my god. Seagull's just walking around like school though. Thinking he's the man though. You are the man, Mike. Oh, it just hates big pepperoni. I'm sorry, spare the window. Good luck. Oh, right. Looks like a seagull could eat faster than Jacob. Now we're going to turn it into Jacob now. Seagull into Jacob now. Wow. I mean, this is good. We're getting good Zoom right here. We're getting good videos. Oh, just flicked a bit of bread. Oh no, not the seagull fighting the pigeon right now. I mean, it handled up there. Seagulls, see you in part 4, bye.